This is iPhone 16 Pro. It doesn't have a SIM port. This is the US version. It only uses eSIM. So eSIMs are more secure than your traditional physical SIM. So like if they steal your phone, you won't hear stories like, oh, they wiped my bank account and all that. So the bigger problem I have is that people asking me, can my phone use an eSIM? Of course, it also depends on network. Good thing now in Nigeria is that Glo just started giving out eSIM. So every network in Nigeria has eSIM capability. But what I'm going to solve in this video, make sure you share this video to that your friend, uncle that asks you whether their phone can do eSIM. So we're going to start with the iPhones. Every iPhones from iPhone SR can use eSIM and newer. So you're going to be looking at this list because there might be some exception. So from iPhone SR to newer can use eSIM. So here you will see some of the exceptions when we start dealing with it. iPad also have eSIM iPad. There is even eSIM only iPads. Let's come down to Samsung. From Samsung Galaxy S20 will be able to use eSIM. Now you can see all the list of the Samsung. Of course, there are one or two exceptions, maybe of model and region that may not, but these are the Samsungs here that are capable of using eSIM. So let's move to Google. So Pixel 2 XL, Pixel 3, Pixel 4, and on and on and on can use it. For Huawei phones, you have Huawei P40, P40 Pro, Mate 40, and also Aura. Then Oppo phones also have eSIM from Oppo Find X3 and on, and N2 Flip and all that. Sony also have phones that are capable of eSIM. You can see it here, Sony Xperia 10, Sony Xperia 1, Xperia X, and all that. Xiaomi also have their own from Xiaomi 12T Pro, Xiaomi 13 and 14, and also Poco X7 is capable of eSIM. Then Motorola have their own Motorola phones with eSIM, Motorola Razr 2019, Razr 2022, Motorola Edge, and it goes on. There are a whole lot of lists. Sharp also have their own, some Sharp devices, Sharp Accus Sense 4 Lite down till Sharp Accus Sense 8. Then Rakuten phones also compatible with eSIM. You can see it. Honor phones have eSIM. Honor Magic 4 Pro, Honor Magic 5 Pro, and then there is Vivo phones also compatible with eSIM. Vivo X80 Pro, and it goes on and on. Other eSIM compatible devices, you can see it here. Fairphone, Doji have, even Quicketel, wow, ZTE Nubia, Asus ROG 9 also have eSIM. So this is the list. If your phone is not among the ones here, sure, no, they just throw it away. It can't use eSIM. Of course, there are still some good phones that doesn't use eSIM, so that doesn't mean that they are bad. Just have to get physical SIM and keep using it on your phone. Save this video, share it to anybody who wants to ask questions about eSIM. These are the phones that are updated. This is March 2025 update of phones that can use eSIM. And make sure you follow me here for more up-to-date tech tips like this. Until I see you in the next one, it is peace.